The relief that I saw on her face was almost palpable. My sister is redoing her bathroom, and she came to me with some wallpaper and some paint swatches asking which paint she should use. Sometimes when there's like not an obvious choice, it can be so hard to make a decision. She had just taken my decodna interior design personality quiz, and so I knew what her preferences were, and it was an easy decision. You are a tonal personality preference, so you're gonna want the lighter color because it's closer in shade to the wallpaper. If it was me, I was gonna pick the darker shade because my preference is bold, so both would look good. One would just make you feel more comfortable in the space. And when I tell you, the relief that I saw on her face was almost palpable. It was like, yes, it works. It makes making design decisions so much easier. Since she knew what her preference was, it took that decision fatigue out of the equation. And if you want to know what your preferences are, you can visit the link in my bio. It's totally free, and you can follow my page for more information about the personality preferences.